Hello students. Welcome to Shiney Brain Academy. Today, we are going to demystify the cell, the incredible building block that makes up every living organism on our beautiful planet. What exactly is a cell? Think of it as the smallest unit that can carry out life functions. It is the basic structural and functional unit of every living thing. First, we have the cell membrane. It acts like the security guard of the cell, carefully choosing what enters and leaves to keep the interior environment safe. Next is the cytoplasm. It is not just empty space, it is a jelly-like substance where all the vital organelles hang out and perform their daily tasks. Now, let's look at the nucleus. You can call it the brain of the cell because it holds the master blueprints, which we know as our DNA. We cannot forget the mitochondria. They are famous for being the powerhouse of the cell, converting nutrients into the energy we use to run, jump, and think. Meet the ribosomes. These are the tiny construction sites where proteins are built. Proteins are the building blocks of your body, and ribosomes make them happen. The endoplasmic reticulum, or ER, is like the factory floor. It comes in two types, rough and smooth, and helps create proteins and fats for the cell. Once the products are made, they head to the Golgi apparatus. Think of this as the post office of the cell, packaging goods to be shipped out. Lysosomes are the cleanup crew. They use digestive enzymes to break down old cell parts and waste, ensuring nothing stays cluttered or useless in the cell. Unlike our cells, plants have a cell wall. This rigid layer surrounds the cell membrane, providing that extra strength and protection that helps trees stand tall. In plant cells, chloroplasts work their magic. They capture sunlight to perform photosynthesis, effectively turning solar energy into the food that plants need to grow. Vacuoles serve as the storage tanks. Whether it is storing water, nutrients, or waste, they ensure the cell has enough supplies to survive tough times. The cytoskeleton is the invisible scaffolding. It keeps everything in place and gives the cell its shape, almost like a tent pole holding up the structure. Not all cells are the same. The nerve cell looks very different from a muscle cell because they have totally different jobs to do in your body. Biologists categorize cells into two main groups, simple prokaryotes, like bacteria, and complex eukaryotes, which make up you, me, and every plant we see. How do we grow? Through cell division. A single cell splits into two, ensuring that as you get taller, you have more cells to support your body. Cells are amazing because they can specialize. Through a process called differentiation, they turn into muscle, blood, or bone cells to perform specific roles in your body. Cells must maintain homeostasis. This means they are constantly adjusting their chemistry to keep a stable balance, which is the secret to staying healthy. Let's quickly review: nucleus for control, mitochondria for energy, ribosomes for proteins, and the Golgi for transport. Every part is essential to the team. Why should we care? By understanding cells, we can fight diseases, grow better crops, and unlock the mysteries of life. You are the future of science. You have done a fantastic job today. Remember, the world is made of these tiny, beautiful machines, and understanding them is your first step to biological mastery. It is time for a quick quiz. Based on what we learned, which organelle is known as the powerhouse of the cell? Pick your answer carefully. The correct answer is B, the mitochondria. Excellent work today, students. If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe to Shiney Brain Academy for more biology fun.